Have you heard about the shuffler? It's a great way to boost your circulation and build movement into everyday life. You can even use it while you're watching TV. It's such a clever design, it's light and portable, and it's been shown to improve mobility. There are several ways that you can activate the muscles in your feet and legs. For example, just by sliding the feet forward and back, or one forward and one back. You can skate in a V shape. You can work the hips by taking feet out and in. You can challenge coordination by going forward with one foot and to the side with the other. And you can even put the shuffler on a slight incline, as if you're going uphill. It's so easy to use, just keep it by your chair so that you can do it every day. Gradually build up to doing it for 10 minutes and then try to shuffle for 10 minutes 3 times a day.